Good evening and thanks for joining us on this Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. I'm Mika Miyashima.
And I'm Rick Kwan. Healthcare facilities across the state are feeling the burden of the COVID-19 pandemic.
During the first wave of cases, Hawaii's nursing homes were among the places hit the hardest. KITV4's Kristen Concilio spoke with one of Oahu's largest nursing home operators today on why this latest surge has turned out to be even tougher. Kristen.
That's right, Mika. This time around, operators say COVID's hitting nursing homes twice as hard as it did the first time. More than 100 nursing home workers at the Arcadia family of companies are out of work due to COVID. But nursing homes aren't just struggling with staffing shortages. As more workers get infected or exposed to the virus, many residents are then being repeatedly isolated.
Because we have a government that's pushing to remain wide open, yet our vulnerable residents who have done everything that they're supposed to are again being forced to quarantine again.
Dozens of residents are having to quarantine for weeks at a time due to multiple staff exposures.
Everything's kind of just declining again with those residents having to be locked down in the apartment. And that does definitely take a toll on those residents as far as the hardship that it does is mental, social.
With close to 900 seniors being served daily, Arcadia isn't taking any chances. In most cases, the company requires at least double the 5-day quarantine recently recommended by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
And we had somebody who was already on day 10 turn positive as well. So that science that it's being used for in the 5 days isn't so much to protect a population like our senior population and that community population. It's really to get people back to their work sooner so that things can continue. But when it's dealing with people's lives, it becomes much more challenging.
Operators say they're doing everything they can to try to keep COVID at bay. But with uncontrolled transmission on Oahu,
right now we're losing to it.
Nursing homes are calling on the government for help with more healthcare workers, testing, and personal protective equipment that right now is dwindling in supply. Arcadia has also mandated vaccinations for more than 550 employees and is considering requiring booster shots to help stop the spread. Reporting live, Kristen Concilio, KITV4 Island News.